In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a mesh with pipe cleaners so you can use the mesh just like chicken wire to hold your flowers together. You may ask, why would you want to do that? Well, sometimes you just don't have chicken wire in your storage and no floral foam either, which happened to me, and I just happened to have pipe cleaners on hand. So I did it and it worked. And I've found some great qualities that pipe cleaners have, which chicken wire doesn't. Like their surfaces are super smooth and you don't have to worry about scratching your hands or your vessels. They are also highly malleable like chicken wire, and they come in a wide array of colors, which is great when you want to match the color of your containers. And as they come in little chunks, they take up less space in your storage, which is great when you're working in tiny workspace like I do. It did take me some time to build the mesh, but in the end I'm pretty pleased with the result. Without further ado, let's get started. You can use pipe cleaners in whichever color you like, but I will stick to greens and browns as they get concealed better through the gaps between leaves. As you can see here, I get fluff coming off from the ends of the pipe cleaners, which I don't like very much. And the ends can be quite sharp, which could scratch my hands and my faces. So I will take my pliers to fold the ends in before I start weaving the mesh. So I have all my pipe cleaners ready and put in pairs. To start weaving, I take a pair and twist them together at about a centimeter away from the top. I twist twice to make sure the joint is secure. And I repeat for the remaining pairs. Then I start linking the pairs together. I take two pairs because I'm right-handed. I make sure the left leg of the guy on the right is on top of the right leg of the guy on the left. Then I twist them together at about a centimeter away from the last joint. And repeat in the same manner until all the pairs are joined together. Now you can see they are naturally crisscrossed. To start making the eyelets, I like to start in the middle. I would stick my finger through as a guide and twist the pipe cleaners together. This way, I can make sure the eyelets are more or less the same size. I don't want the eyelets too big, which would give my flower stems too much wiggle room. Repeat for the rest of the length of the pipe cleaners. When I reach the ends, I try to make as many eyelets as possible. So this is it. It's simple and quite meditative. A piece like this will be big enough for an average size mug. For bigger containers, I would overlap two pieces for more stability. A structure like this would work great in bowls, compotes, or even ice cream tubs. I hope this video has inspired you to be creative, build structures to hold your flowers together when you don't have chicken wire or floral foam in hand. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up so YouTube would know more people should watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.